All right, so this short video is going to talk a little bit about your big project for this class, which is the social media profile analysis. So when you go to Blackboard, if you go to content, and then you can go down to week 6, and you can click continuing working on the social media profile analysis. And this will bring up the requirements for the assignment. So it's due Sunday, April 30th at 11:59, 30 points. And the goal of this assignment is to find an athlete, a celebrity, a politician. It could really be anyone, someone that's currently an active, living, famous person. They have to use at least 2 social media sites. So we've talked about several of those here. It could also be several other sites that we have not discussed. You're going to answer the 6 questions on this paper, double spaced, 12 times New Roman font, and you're going to look at the strengths and weaknesses of their profile. You're going to provide actual screenshots of their strengths and weaknesses as well. And you're going to provide at least 5 of those that would support why this person is strong in a certain area or why this person is weak in a certain area. Who is their audience and why do they appeal to them? What type of content is this person creating, or what are they publishing or posting? Are they using their social media in a professional manner, or are they, using profanity, graphic images, things that might not be appropriate? And so again, provide screenshots to support your analysis. And so we've talked a little bit about appropriate and inappropriate behaviors for social media. So it'd be important to incorporate those things that you've learned into this analysis. Number 4, if you were an employer, would you hire them? Why or why not? And again, think about the things you've learned in this class so far, things that you've read in the textbook, things that you've discussed in the discussion board. What would you recommend that the person do to improve their chances of being employed? So, if you think of these celebrities or athletes or whoever this famous person is, think of them as a regular male or female person and they're going to apply for a job. Now, based on what you've seen on their social media, would you offer them a job? And then how would you actually improve their profiles? And then lastly, you have to include, if you've looked at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, any of the other social media sites, include that into your analysis as well. When you're done with that writing that 2-page paper, you're going to write it up in a Word document. You're going to click Browse My Computer and attach the file. If you want to put any comments about it, you can do that in there as well. And then you click Submit. Make sure you click Submit and not Save Draft. Please do not click Write Submission and write it in here. Please do not do that. Make sure you go down and attach the file properly and then click Submit. So hopefully this gives you a little more insight to the social media profile analysis. Make sure you participate in the discussion board as well, because there's a couple questions in there to kind of see what everyone else is covering, and have a great week.